is all it takes. That's the original size of the cutting disc. That's what's left of it after cutting through two German-made stainless steel clamps. So I've got that off without too much fuss, and this here is a standard clamp. It doesn't look up to the job. I've got some BMW spec clamps here. Pipe clamp from BMW Motorrad. So part number, that would be the part number, yeah. So that there, I think. Either way, these are proper spec in-tank bolts that can take being submerged in fuel all the time.